Hello children, you had read about HTML in the previous chapter. Once again, we will read more about HTML. So let's start chapter 4. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Tag attributes are used to change the default property of a tag. They always appear in the starting or opening tag. HTML, head, title and body are the four tags used in HTML document. 5 types of list can be created in HTML, that is ordered list, unordered list, definition list, directory list and menu list. Ordered list. Ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. By default, numbers are displayed in a web browser when an ordered list is used. For example, 1, 2, 3. Unordered list. Unordered list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular order. The list begins and ends with UL opening tag and with /UL tags respectively. Definition list. A definition list is an indented list of item and definition. Entries in a definition list do not have any bullet or number in front of them. Image insertion in web page with alignment. HTML make it very easy for you to embed image into your web page. So it is very important that you understand how to use them properly. GIF, JPEG, PNG are the types of image file format supported by HTML. Before specifying an image tag, let's give a quick look to table given below specifying its attribute, height and width. To define the height and width of the image rather than letting the browser compute the size, use the height and width attribute with image tag. Align. To align the picture or image in a web page, use left, top, middle, right and bottom value with align attribute. Border. To specify the border around the image, use border attribute. The possible value are 1, 2, 3 and so on. SRC. SRC specify the source of the image, that is, it tells us about the image. The value of SRC attribute is the URL of the image you want to display on your page. Alt. The alt attribute is used to define an alternate text for an image. The value of the alt attribute is an author-defined text. Alignment of images. You can align images according to the text around it by using the align tag with following keywords: left, right, top, middle, bottom and center. Tables are used on a web page to organize data in the form of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Table tag is used to represent data in a tabular manner. Hyperlinks. A hyperlink is a piece of text or an image which is linked to another web page. There are mainly 2 types of hyperlinks: external link and internal link. Hyperlink to other page within the current or other website. This is called external linking. External linking involves connecting 2 different web pages. Hyperlinks anchor bookmark on the same page A point on a page is bookmarked so that we can have a hyperlink, which when pressed take to the bookmark. This is called internal linking. Internal linking involves linking part of the same page. Defining colors of the hyperlinks. You must have noticed that the hypertext on a web page is generally of a different color from the remaining text. You can specify the color of the link. Unvisited link refers to the link which has not been visited or clicked by the visitor. Active link refers to the link which the visitor is currently clicking at. Visited link refers to the link which has been clicked at and visited by the visitor.